So what up, give you a little update. Had something come up. I was trying to do the interior and my seatbelt thing tore out of the floor. I should have took it out while I was doing the floor and all that, because it's a big hole in the floor. I'll show you guys. So this is the part I'm talking about, like right here. I was trying to install my seatbelts, which I got this side pretty good, you know, right there. Tried to do the same over here. The welds broke from here, and it just started spinning behind there when I was undoing it. It was like really rusted out. So I'm gonna have to refabricate that part, re-weld it here, and then tighten all this up right here. But you know, I'm trying to get this interior in, man. I got a head around here somewhere. But this is the piece. It was all rusted, like really bad. This is me welding. I cut the bolt off, the tip of it here. So you can see I had to cut it out of the car. So I cut this off. Cut the tip off here. It was like this. I cut that off, you know, cleaned it up, welded it. Now I'm gonna just grind all that down, make it look real nice. So this pretty much after welding and getting it down. Yeah, I could have got it down a little better, but I think that's about as good as we're gonna get it. Now I just gotta kind of tap and dye. It was rusted in there real good, so I just welded it in there. Should stay. So pretty much went to the auto parts store, found something that'll go through here. And this will, this 7/16/14, 2 inches. Then I'm gonna take these, try to sync up 2 of them possibly. And I'll just weld them on the back of here. Once I drill a hole through, weld that on the back. That way, instead of doing the whole tap and dye thing, I'm just gonna do it that way. It's a whole lot easier. So, I got the hole drilled in and tacked the screw behind it. It's going in pretty good. So I'm just gonna weld all of this up with just a couple of tacks, tack. Try to stop it, you know, not have it warp too much, but it don't really matter at this point. So I know it's quite ugly, but that thing was hot. God dog it. Should have cooled that off. I just needed to stick, man. I needed to stick. I'll let y'all see the finished product. Pretty much this it. Little ugly welds, but still it's gonna hold. Screw fit in there. Bolt, man.